Hello everybody, and this is our new review for Transformers Anime Deluxe Class Black Ratchet. As you can see, I bought a Ratchet from a toy sale for Coco the Gorilla, and I did a good job, so here he is. You see, he has a Decepticon symbol right here, and I did a repaint on him a couple of weeks ago, and the only red you can see is here and right here. So he's really cool. He's the new Decepticon, the symbols. We could compare him to Swindle. As you can see, he's he's about the same size as Black Ratchet, a little short and a little bit high. So the Transformer, he's that simple. He's not that hard at all. Just flip up this, his back hood of his Decepticon symbol. Hey, you want to do is put the feet up, put the feet apart, and you pull out the black feet. Then you flip out these to reveal the blue. Then you want to pull them out. You see some yellow right here. Hold these arms down. Then you put this hood down, and you put this back, and reveal his head, and here's Black Ratchet. And now you see he has a red mouth with a black. The black things on his head, and he has gold panels on his between his mouth, and these pop out to reveal the magnets. He's kind of a new Decepticon. He was chosen to be the Decepticon medic because he was chosen. If a Decepticon is hurt, he's on the job. Black Ratchet is the only one who's after him. Black Ratchet's after. We could compare him to Sentinel Prime. He's kind of short, and we could also compare him to Waspinator. He's a little taller than Sentinel Prime and Waspinator, but he's really cool. So I'll put this in YouTube really soon. I hope everybody likes it. And this is the review on Transformers Animated Black Ratchet.